What's up, guys? Jaden Knowles here. Welcome to the Aries Moto, the home of the quick and easy, where nothing is quick and definitely not easy. Old man right there. My mobile workstation right here. Milwaukee! I love Milwaukee. I ended up buying this station slash toolbox in the summer. I think it was summer, last year, yeah. Ended up being here for a while because we didn't do any cleaning, and right now we're doing some spring cleaning yeah, I just showed you, right? Anyway, so I'm gonna unbox this and we're gonna set it up right there. So I can actually start putting my tools and everything inside, and I can actually start working on my bike. And there's two little more things coming up this week or next week regarding the motorcycle, so stay tuned because there's another motorcycle. There's always another motorcycle coming up. Anyway, so let's do this unboxing slash little showcase of the Milwaukee 60-inch mobile station. All right, let's do this. Alright, so let's open it up. Oh, nice. Open it up.
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, that's nice. Styrofoam. So much styrofoam. Styrofoam. It's for dust. Keep it. Oh, that's where the keys are at. Oh, built-in power center. Okay, that's annoying. It's a little rubber thing. Look how stretchy that is. Lose the keys. Mats and everything. Casters right here, but it's okay. Aha! This is where the box is. It's a heavy box. Yeah, the casters. Nice and bubble wrapped. Okay, so that can be removed. That was kind of easy. 1/4 inch. Milwaukee! Yeah. Okay, so it's actually sitting pretty tall. I want to see how tall it sits. So off the ground, it's 38 inches off the ground. So it's pretty. And of course it's 60 inch. Yeah, 60. And on the side, it's almost 24. No, it's 22.
Oh, that's it. See, that's it.
No, but the bench is 22. Yeah, bench is 22. But it's almost 24 deep. What is that, Allen or Torx? What? Plug for this right here. It's inside of the box, and then you need to just kind of push your hand, or can you even take the? Can you take it out?
One up, one down. Down, be up. See?
Yeah.
Down.
The other side up. And now you can feed it through. He's out. Soft close. This is out. That's why they gave the stupid things. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, I'm not gonna tap into the wood. Make it a little bit more sturdy, and that's about it, because I'm not gonna have nothing that heavy on that back drop or back wall, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so I gotta go there, clean up over there. Oh man, finish this up here. Alrighty, so here it is at the end. It's right there. We end up using the electrical, but I'm not gonna use the little shelf because the space. I shouldn't have put this handle either, but we'll see about that. Maybe I'll take it off tomorrow. Maybe not. And then tomorrow or later on, I'm gonna make like a little video if you want to see Husky work table, adjustable work table. It's gonna pop like right here somewhere. Yeah. What do you think? Soft close. I think for a bike, it's gonna be maybe even too much. You don't need that many tools for a motorcycle.